Ready to do the other unboxing on video? I guess so. Might as well make it a trend. Alright, so this is from Lefty EDC, aka Kev Johnson. There's one thing in here that he's letting me keep, and there's, damn, he sent me a whole freaking pouch. And then there's some stuff for me to review. What does it say? Orion knives. Yeah. Orion knives. Okay. He always packs a hanky. Alright, we've got some, I don't know why. Oh, he sent me this because it was something. Oh shit, look, there's like a false fur in here. That's weird. I feel something. I don't think this was meant to be in here. Oh, it's a bearing. It's one of those white ones. Was that meant to be in there? I don't think. Shit, he's got a couple. Oh, this is what I wanted to see. Okay, here we go, baby. This is the chicken dinner coin, haptic coin. I had seen this around and I was like, oh, there's my cat. I was like, ew, look at it. You can see inside of its head. Who the fuck would want something like that? Ew. Dude, my cat. Who would want something like that? Ew. But Kev said it's really cool, and he got the zircon, so I like the size of it. It's pretty big. Oh yeah. It's got a hell of a snap. Very, very nice. Damn, it's got a loud clack clack. Very, very nice. I like it. What else is in here? He shoved this stuff all the way in the knife holes. Oh, here's the glow-in-the-dark thing. I was like fawning all over it. He got this from Big White EDC. Big White EDC. You can use Lefty EDC as a code, I guess. Or Lefty 10 for 10% off, I think. Oh. This is a glow-in-the-dark one. When he first showed it to us in the group, I was like, what? Dude. I was like, how can I get a hookup like Big White? Oh yeah, this is supreme. Now, is this better than this? No. Look how much bigger this fucking thing is. This is way heavier. God, the clack it makes. Oh, it's like music. Oh. I will not steal it. I will not steal it. Okay. Anyway, thank you, Kev, for this. I'm gonna have to charge it and then do a little update video of it in the dark. Okay, so then I said I wanted to review the fan. I almost bought this a couple times. This is by, I forget who makes this, MUYIandMOTEDC or some shit. But it's kind of like the shuffle. The clicks are they're snappy and they're satisfying. Oh God, this thing just came loose. What the fuck? Is it supposed to be like that? Oh, can't go that way. Kind of like when you go all the way out and then just go. It's not as bad as I thought they would be. I think this is the titanium anodized one. It says 95 out of, I can't even tell. do you guys think? Ooh, this keeps happening. I think there's a stopper here. Yeah, see? Okay, so do you see right here, that raised edge? That's supposed to stop, but it's loose. I wonder if I tighten it. If I tighten it, would that be better? Would that make it not... There's a screw here. I could possibly tighten it. It's kind of wobbly. All right. I don't feel like, I'm gonna tell you this right now. I don't feel like splicing two videos together, so I'm going to leave you guys on blank while I go get a screwdriver. Hopefully a cat will jump up here and keep y'all company. Oh, I found one. Okay, make sure they don't get bored, okay? How did she do? Okay. Okay. So let's see if we can tighten this bad boy up. All right. We've got to not tighten it too much. Okay. I have to decide whether I like it or not. Shit, do I need two of them? Is that one turning? No, it's not turning. Now it's turning. Was it really that loose? No way. Hold on, I'm performing surgery. Will you hold on? Shit. I feel like Ferris Bueller's Day Off. Yeah. Okay, that's as tight as it'll go. It was very loose. So now let's try it, huh? It's not coming out now. Oh. Does it just loosen on its own? I still like it though. It's a little awkward to use. The sound's real nice though. I like it. I might ask Lefty if I could keep it or give him some money for it, even though it does this. Now, my big question is, did this piece in the bottom loosen again? I want to know. I know he was comparing this to the shuffle, but I really don't think they're that comparable. Fuck. Did it loosen? No. I like it. It's got a really good sound to it. A little awkward to use, but it's nice. Okay, so the other thing that this thing is, so far, I think the best haptic coin I've ever felt. Even though it's so weird, dude. Do you see? It's inside. You can see inside of the fucking skull of the chicken. That is so gross. Ugh. Why? But listen to that. Oh, whew. And then we've got our glow. You know what I could do? Since I'm getting up and doing shit, I can charge this live on the video and show you guys. Do you want to? Okay, where's that cat? Oh, the cat left. Hold on, let me get my flashlight. Sorry guys, I forgot where I put it. So, long time ago, Lefty EDC gave me this and said, use it as a giveaway. And I was like, okay. And I never did, I kept it. What else, bro? Ooh, shit. I can't even look at where it's shining. All right, should we shut the light? Oh, you can already see it. I don't even think you need to shut the light. Oh, shit. All right, just for shits and giggles. There it is. Anyway, thank you guys for watching.